You do it?
Wait, then, like that.
Yeah. Thank you. Costa Rica, here I come.
Bro?
It definitely wasn't retirement.
Yeah.
Costa Rica.
Happy Father's Day.
All expense paid trip to Costa Rica. Happy Father's Day.
Thank you.
You got your hopefully you can go ahead and hopefully you can go on ahead and go and take off.
I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm gonna get that. Alright, got some bags.
Some traveling packing cubes.
Can't open it, dog. Take the paint up.
Yeah, you got it covered. Maybe not. Alright. Got me a set.
Got you a starter set.
Oh. Got the pants with the matching shirt.
For the Costa Rica.
Mexico.
Mexico, we're gonna go to Mexico. Then I got some deodorant, new and improved. That's a body wash. That smell good.
Yeah, do right.
Ice.
Ice cream.
Thank you.
You're
I
welcome.
appreciate it. You the best.
I hope that you can get off.
Happy
Get off.
Father's Day.
Yeah, happy Father's Day. I hope you can go and take off. And don't be signing up for no extra work. Okay.
Hopefully the passport.
Make sure your passport is together, brother.
Bye-bye.
Do my stretching.
There you go, big bro.
Thank you.
Got your packing cubes.
Yes. Let me get that.
I got a dress to match this. So we gonna be matching, looking like the what you call it, the matching couple.
Same thing.
Oh, you can actually hear what Rick's saying today. Right. So Facebook got some new features, y'all, and one of them is mic enhancement. So I probably sound really loud to y'all while Ricardo probably sound like he's actually talk like louder, because normally he be the yin yang twins.
I didn't even read. That's all good. Don't tell yours.
You know what? So yeah. Yes, yeah, she mean it. Get off, officer. Right. No, I didn't. No, this wasn't last minute. I actually called my travel agent probably about 6 months ago, and I said, what can where can we go that's, just kind of low